Hello and welcome back to the Capitalist Investor YouTube channel, back with another portfolio investment on Freetrade. So I'm just making a new video today as I have added £500 investment to my ISA today. I just wanted to sort of talk through what shares I've bought or trackers, funds I've bought. And so, as you can see, my portfolio is now at £3,362.62, and that is up £212.62 since I began investing. Obviously, you can see that large spike today, which was the investment of £500. So, not much has changed in terms of my weighting of shares. So Lloyd's is still my biggest weighting. I really believe that share is undervalued. I now hold over 1,000 shares in Lloyd's, and that's been great for me with a 15% increase since I started purchasing it. I also added one extra share of Imperial Brands. I still think this is an undervalued stock, and I'm just going to keep adding shares, a small amount each time, because it's still continuing to decline, but I believe that will turn itself back up. Also, the dividend yield is great on that stock. I've also added to my UK dividends position, so we're now at £284.10 within there. And I've also added to FTSE 100, which you can see I've added a further 13 shares today. And I've also purchased some European high dividend stocks, and I bought 3 of those. So if I just go to my activity, I can show you, I'll talk about the rejected ones in a second, but I can show you that I've sort of added my position, sort of gone for around £100 in the UK dividend, FTSE 100 and Lloyd's, £50 in the Euro dividends. I bought 1 share of Imperial Brands. And then what I did try and also do is increase my position in commercial property. And the reason being is that I want to generate enough income monthly to cover the ISA fee. Although I must point out that Freetrade don't take the money directly from the cash that you have in the ISA. They will take it from your credit card each month. So make sure that you factor that in. But if you're unsure on what I'm talking about here, please do refer to my previous video on how to mitigate the £3 ISA charge that's coming on Freetrade. So I'm not actually sure the reason as to why they've been rejected. What I have done though is sort of increase my position back in there. So you'll see at the bottom I've added 125 shares, which is what I was doing. The reason being is that commercial property, the price might have moved, which meant it was above what I was planning on purchasing it for. But yeah, there we go. Let me know what you think about my new purchases. I've sort of gone for some lower risk items. The transaction costs, etc., on those FTSE 100 UK dividends are very small, and I just think at the moment I'm going to increase my share in these because they're easy and passive income. Hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, please give us a like and subscribe. Drop some comments down below, and until next time, peace.